Today we're working on a project for International Dot Day, which is based on the book The Dot, which we talked about in class. You need a piece of paper, newspaper, and a permanent marker. You will have some sort of circle to trace. Please make sure it fits on your page. And Tracy. Yes, you can trace with a pencil if you want to. All right, next mission. Our dots are inspired by Romero Britto, and Romero was big on making a lot of patterns in his work, and he used line to do this. So I should see each of the 5 kinds of line in your work, which means vertical, horizontal, diagonal, zigzag, and some kind of curvy, wiggly line. It should be used in your work somewhere. You're trying to kind of break it up into sections. It shouldn't be a mess of scribbles all layered on top of each other. So for example, I could start out with a big zigzag across my dot. You can have more than one zigzag to sort of make a pattern. And we need vertical somewhere. I could put some vertical lines inside my zigzag. Makes it more interesting. I'm trying to stretch the lines so they either touch another line or they touch the edge of the page. All right, I need curvy. All right, let me break this up a little more. So maybe I'll put a diagonal here to make new sections on the page. There, broke it up so it's a little more interesting. And I might add more diagonal lines inside here. I need curvy, which there's more than one way to do a curvy line. I could make the little roller coaster. Or you could use, swirls. And some can kind of go off the edge of your object. All right. Do I have horizontal anywhere? I don't. So I need to add some horizontal lines, which can bump and jump over my design. And then just see how you can fill things in. Sometimes Romero would even use his name, his signature, to kind of fill in a section. And your name's made of lines. So I could just take my name, turn it different directions, and use that to fill in a section, make it go off the page. And last but not least, if you take a curvy line and connect it, you can get polka dots. Notice I didn't just stab it to make dots. I drew the dots.